Good afternoon, everybody. I, Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda, District, Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. The syllabus of FY BSc is to be implemented from academic year or from 290 to 220 and 220 to 221. Today, I discuss about FYBC semester first syllabus, new syllabus as per the choice-based credit system syllabus pattern from 219. Paper first, BO 111, plant life and utilization, credit first. This paper carries 2 credit points. Paper second carry 2 credit points and practical based on paper first and paper second carry 2 credit 1.5 credit points. Total semester first carry 5.5 credit points and semester second carry 5.5 credit points. Total credit point of FYBSc course 11. Today I discuss paper number first, plant life and utilization first, chapter number first, introduction of cryptogams and introduction of plant kingdom. General characters of plant kingdom, classification of plant kingdom, general characters of cryptogams, general characters of algae, fungi, lichen, general characters of bryophyte, general characters of pteridophytes. First, what is the general characters of plant kingdom? What is the general characters of plant kingdom? First, the kingdom plantae. The kingdom plantae, region of kingdom plantae, cell wall is made up of cellulose or chlorophyll bearing plants. The region of kingdom plantae is well or cell wall is made up of cellulose and presence of pigments. Then second characters, the body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. The body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Then third character, it shows various types of tissues. It shows various types of tissues. The next characters, the sexual reproduction is or sexual reproduction organ is well developed. Then on the basis of thallus structure, this plant kingdom, on the basis of thallus characters, plant kingdom is divided into 2 divisions, division cryptogams and division phanerogams. Division cryptogams is divided into subdivision thallophyta, bryophyta and pteridophyta. Subdivision thallophyta is divided into groups bacteria, algae, fungi, lichens, and bryophyta is divided into direct classes. Bryophyta is divided into direct classes and pteridophyta is divided into classes xylophyta, lycophyta, sphenophyta, pterophyta. Then general characters of cryptogams, that is algae, fungi, lichens, bryophyta and pteridophytes. First characters of kingdom plantae. The kingdom plantae includes all chlorophyll pigments bearing plants. The region of kingdom plantae, cell wall is made up of cellulose and presence of chlorophyll pigments. The body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. It shows various types of tissues. Sexual reproduction organs are well developed. On the basis of thallus structure of plant body, nature of reproduction and mode of nutrition, kingdom plantae is divided into 2 divisions, cryptogams and phanerogams. Cryptogams and phanerogams. Then classification of cryptogams. Cryptogams are classified into 3 subdivisions, thallophyta, bryophyta and pteridophyta. Thallophyta is divided into groups, bacteria example Bacillus, algae example Spirogyra, fungi example Aspergillus, lichen example Parmelia. Then bryophyta is divided into 3 classes, liverworts that is Hepatica example Drixia, then hornworts example Anthocerus or subclass or class Anthocerati, and third muci example Funaria muci, Then Pteridophyta is divided into classes Xylophyta, Lycophyta, Spanophyta and Pteridophyta. Class Xylophyta is example Xylophytum, Lycophyta example Lycopodium, Spanophyta example Equisetum and Pteridophyta example Fern, that is Nephrolepis. These are classification of kingdom Plantae. Then next phenogams. Phenogams are divided into two subdivisions, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperm is directly divided into order or classes Cycadophyta, Coniferophyta, Gnetophyta, and then orders and then families. Angiosperms are divided into class dicot and class monocot. Class dicot is divided into the three subclasses Polypetalae, Gamopetalae and Agapetalae, and monocot is not divided into classes. These are classification of plant kingdom. Then division cryptogams, general characters of division cryptogams. The word cryptogams is coined from two Greek words. Cryptos meaning hidden and gamos meaning six organs or union or gametes. Then cryptogams are divided into thallophytes, bryophytes, pteridophytes. This is the general characters of cryptogams. Then plant does not bear flowers and seeds. In algae and bryophytes, vascular tissues are absent, but in pteridophytes, vascular tissues are present. Then sex organs are simple and single. Embryo formation after fertilization is absent. Reproduction is expressed by vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. Then ninth characters, in thallophytes, reproductive organs are simple, unicellular and not desiccated. Asexual reproduction takes place by spores and vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Life cycle of liverworts, mosses and pteridophytes shows alternation of generation. That is gametophytic, sporophytic. Then in sexual reproduction there is sporophytic phase and gametophytic phase represents sexual phase. Cryptogams are divided into two subdivisions, lower cryptogams and higher cryptogams. In lower cryptogams there are thallophyta. In thallophyta there are bacteria, algae, fungi, lichen, and also in bryophyta. Higher cryptogams are only pteridophytes. Then plant body is thalloid. What is the lower cryptogams? In lower cryptogams, plant body is thalloid and not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Lower cryptogams are following types, that is thallophyta, bryophyta, pteridophyta. Then lower cryptogams are algae, fungi, lichens and bryophytes. There is the examples of algae, fungi, and lichens. First, general characters of algae. Plant body without root, stem and leaves, hence called thalloid structure. Plant body is multicellular. Second character, plant body is multicellular. Mode of nutrition is autotrophic. Algae are usually aquatic, freshwater, marine water or terrestrial. Then algae are photoautotrophous. Then reproduction takes place by vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation and hormogonia. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores, aplanospores, hypnospores, akinets and azygospores. Sexual reproduction is three types: isogamous, unisogamous and unisogamous and oogamous type. Then important or general characters of fungi. Important features of fungi. Fungi lack chlorophyll pigments. Cell wall is made up of fungus, cellulose or chitin. Plant body is mycelial type. Hyphae is with septate or without septate. Without septate is called cenocytic hyphae. Cells are eukaryotic. Mode of nutrition is heterotrophic and cell wall is made up of chitin, fungus or fungus cellulose. Reservoir food material is in the form of glycogens or oil drops, and in algae reservoir food material is in the form of starch. Then sexual reproduction takes place by formation of aplanospores, zoospores, chlamydospores, oidia and conidia formation. Then in true fungi, male sex organ is antheridium and female sex organ is oogonium. In bryophyta, male sex organ is antheridium and female sex organ is archegonium. Zygote does not develop into embryo in fungi, and sexual spores are meiospores, there is ascospores, basilospores. Then ascospores develop into bag-like structure called ascus. Basidospores are developed inside the basidium, that is two positive and two negative basidia or basidospore strains. Examples of examples of fungi are Mucor aspergillus, yeast, penicillium, Puccinia, Pythium, Phytophthora, Coleotrichum, Histolyticum, mushrooms, etc. Then general characters of lichen. Important features or general characters of lichen. Lichen is symbiotic association between algae and fungi. Algal members are called phycobionts and fungal members are called mycobionts. Algal members are usually unicellular and fungal members are ascomycetes and basidomycetes. Morphologically, lichens are classified into three types: crustose lichen, foliose lichen and fructigose lichen. Crustose lichen example Graphis, foliose lichen example Parmelia and fructigose lichen example Usnea. Foliose lichens example Parmelia is used as spices. Asexual reproduction takes place by Sorridia method or Sorridia. Sexual reproduction observed in fungal members producing sexual spores in cup known as apothecia. Example Parmelia, Hematoloma, Graphis, Usnea and Graphis and Parmelia. Then general characters of Bryophyta. Bryophyta is land dwellers or first land dwellers plants. Its habit is on the moist shady lands. Plant body is gametophytic. Evergreen or green gametophytic plant body of Bryophyta. Fungus plant body is sporophytic. Then water is essential for fertilization and also complete life cycle Water is essential for fertilization to Bryophyta and they complete its life cycle with the help of water. Bryophyta is also called amphibians of plant kingdom because water is essential for fertilization and also complete life cycle. Hence they are called amphibians of plant kingdom. Plant body of the Bryophyta is thalloid. Plant body is differentiated into root-like structure, rhizoids and prostate or erect bearing leafy lobes, example Funaria. In these bryophytes, vascular tissues are absent. Male sex organ is called antheridium, female sex organ is called archegonium. Vascular tissues are absent. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. It is oogamous types of reproduction. Zygote remain in the gametophytic phase or thallus. Zygote developed into sporophyte with food setae and capsule, and it is total or partial parasite on gametophyte. Life cycle shows alternation of generation, that is dominant gametophytic phase called haplontic phase. Example Funaria, Anthocerus, Megacerus, Noctothylus, Rixia, Polytrichum, etc. Then next, higher cryptogams. Algae, fungi, lichens, bryophytes are lower cryptogams. Then higher cryptogams are pteridophytes. General characters of pteridophytes. These are vascular cryptogams because xylem and phloem are present. That is, xylem and phloem vascular tissues are present in the stem or leaf of pteridophyte. The plant body is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. And also rhizome. The plant body is sporophytic but without flower. Flowerless plant. Plant body is without sporophytic. Plant body is sporophytic without flowers and seeds, but spores are present. Sporophytes are produced spores. Plants are homosporous or heterosporous. Homosporous means only one type of spores, and heterosporous means two types of spores, megaspores and microspores. Example Sceliagenella, heterospory and seed habit. Then spores are produced in the sporangium, and sporangium are produced in the sporophyll, and sporangia are produced in the sporophyll, and sporangia are produced in complete group of the structure is called cone. That is, stabulus or cone is present in the pteridophyte. There are two types of spores, microspores and megaspores. Spore after germination produce a gametophyte. Megaspore produce female gametophyte. Microspores produce male gametophyte. Gametophytic thallus with rhizoids and chlorophyll pigments. Gametophyte develops male sex organs called antheridia and female sex organs is called archegonia. Antherozoids are multiflagellate. Zygote remains gametophyte. Embryo develops into sporophytic plants. Water is necessary for fertilization. Then sporophytic is with vascular tissues, xylem is without vessel, and phloem is without companion cells. Plants show distinct alternation of generation. Example: Xylophytum, Selaginella, Lycopodium, Equisetum, Marsillia. These are higher cryptogamic pteridophyte. Then second division, phanerogames, that is flowering plants or flower bearing plants or flowering and seed bearing plants. Plants are well adapted in the land habit. Plants are herbs, shrubs, trees, climber, lianas. These plants bearing seeds so called spermatophyta also. Sperma means seeds, phyta means plant. Phanerogames are divided into subdivision angiosperm and gymnosperm. Angiosperm is the region of angiosperm is ovules are included in the ovary. Gymnosperm in gymnosperm ovules are enclosed. These are general characters of cryptogams. These are general characters of cryptogams and classification of plant kingdom. Thank you. This video lecture is only for FYBC students. This video lecture is only for educational purpose for FYBC students. Thank you.